Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Group, and I am really excited about the Advanced Medicine Conference coming up this weekend in San Antonio. For the first time, we are going to be revealing information that will take away your fear, take away your suffering. It is the solution, the number one advanced medicine that everyone has access to, that can save your life, can save your friend's life, can save your family's life. This information is rediscovered. It's been around for 5,000 years, and we are going to be going in detail about this, giving you the solutions that you need to survive the coming times that we're all here, that we're all going to take place in. So please sign up today for the Advanced Medicine Conference. You will not be let down. We are going to give you the solutions to repair, regenerate, and keep yourself healthy and happy and out of fear. I'll see you there.